Don't worry, everybody go home. She told Margaret, she said, "You're not leaving yet, are you?" She told me, because I'm not ready for you to get home yet.
Okay.
Come on, girl.
Hey, Kayla, you go get her shirt if you want to get in that jacket.
You're wearing the matches your outfit too. Look at you. It's so cute. Oh, thank you. You like the costume? You know, I got the Arkansas $10. Oh, you're joking.
And
Put your dress down, sweetheart. Let me get a long picture. She wants to get a picture of you. Wait a minute. Let me get my glove on since you're going to...
No.
Oh, he heard me.
Smurf butt.
He heard me.
How's it go, Vicky? La la what? Smurf.
La 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 la. That's Smurfing. That's that. You know what the girls say at school, Merlin? What the Smurf is going on here? Here's a bracelet. Shelly lost it.
I see it.
She was counting.
I'll grab it.
Quit taking a picture with my camera in my hand. This. I still didn't get one.
Oh, I've got an idea. I have an idea.
Oh, look here. It just took your breath.
I have an idea. Put it on your nose.
Does it fit?
Hang it on your nose.
Are you videoing still yet?
That is so...
Quit videoing.